Hello, my crafty community, and a special hello to some young people that are watching this today. It's a privilege. I wanted to come on and show you a St. Patrick's Day card that we're going to be making today. We can vary it a little bit with the washi tape, but this is overall what it looks like. I do have one small St. Patrick's Day stamp set, and this hello die is from a stamp and die set from Hero Arts. The hello is really cool all by itself, and this clover folder, embossing folder from Doris, but I got it off of Amazon. So we're going to be doing that. And I'm going to cut down my paper. I'm using a top folding card that I made a few days ago. And I will remeasure just to make sure I do this correctly. The card itself is 5 by 4, so I will be cutting this down a little below 5 and a little below 4 to just let a little bit of the white of the card show through, because my hello is white. Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to do now. I have a special embossing machine called Texture Boutique, and I'm going to be using that today. Okay, so here's my Texture Boutique, just for embossing. Now I have the 2 plates, and I'm going to put the folder with the paper in between, and that's going to give me my sandwich. And then I'm just going to run it through. Okay, so there we have it. I did just as good a job, I think. All right, we're going to glue that onto the front. See how it just barely peeked, the white barely peeks out. And that's perfect, that's just what I wanted. So we're going to use my Tombow Mono liquid glue, also bought on Amazon. Sorry, get my head in the way there. All right. Okay, we do have a few seconds for some wiggle. Let me redo that. Okay. Okay, that's a little better. There. Okay, so we have a nice little white peak border there. Okay, so let's do the washi. We could do this either way, which I didn't think about it right before I put the paper on, but you can put this on the paper and then fold it under, but this way works too. We can just cut it off. So let me show you an alternative to this. I put both of them here, but we can also put one on either side, so I'm going to do that. I've got 3 pieces actually, so let's experiment here. It's always hard to find the end of it. Hi, Tilly. I'm right here. Okay, so let's put, I'm right here. Yeah, see, I'm right here. Yes. That's my kitty. So we're going to cut straight across. If we have to turn a little bit over, it's not the end of the world. Try to keep it the same angle if possible. Okay. That was a pretty clean cut. And let's cut this. She wants to play right now. So then Mommy can't play. And then this one here. Right up to that edge. Then we're going to cut that down too. Okay. Now we're going to put, I've already die cut several of these. We're going to make this in my Sunday school class. So let's Yes, I'm right here. I'm right here, baby. It's okay. Yes. Put that hello right in the middle. On this one, we put it slightly down to the bottom because we had the tape up here. But this one, we're going to put right in the middle. And then we're going to take our garden green ink. And okay. Oops, good for me. I had it upside down. Whew. Give it about 10 seconds to transfer the ink. There we go. Perfect. Now, if you want to add a few goodies, I do have my little man here. But he's a little bit too tall. I should have put him first and maybe masked him. That would be something for next time. And let me do, even though I know that clovers are not gold, but I just want to add a little bit more color. And we always know that there's gold at the end of the rainbow, right? Okay, where's my... Okay, I'm just going to put this on. Okay. Okay, let's put this at the top and the bottom. Okay, there's one. You don't want to push too hard because then you'll get the edge of the stamp on there too, and we don't want that. Because the cling stamp has a little bit more height to it. We don't have to push as hard to get the same effect. There we go. So there is our St. Patrick's Day card. Not too intricate, but cute, and also a way to use up the washi tape. So thank you everybody for watching, and especially my special young people. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.